Hi friends, in the earlier sessions we have created CDB and on that CDB we have created PDBs. In this session we are going to performing basic administration tasks, basic CDB administration tasks. In this practice you will implement the regular tasks you may need to do when managing the PDBs. The target is to explore and get familiarized with CDB architecture. In this practice, we will perform the following various ways of changing the states of CDBs and PDBs, modify the PDB restart states, modify a parameter in a PDB, change the global database name of a PDB, and explore CDB table spaces and data files. Practice assumption you have MRV1 and its CDB database up and running. So we will connect to the CDB database. So we'll see whether we can connect to the CDB database. Yeah, so database CDB database is up and running. So changing the states of CDBs and PDBs. In the following steps, we will shut down and start up PDBs once after logging into the root, and then in switching the current container to the PDB, we will also shut down and start up the CDB. Changing the state of a specific PDB when the current container is the root. Create a putty session, log into as Oracle user. So we have logged in as Oracle user. So select. So we are connected to CDB1. CDB root we are connected to. Alter database CDB1. Close immediate. Close immediate. Check the current state of PDB1. So we have closed PDB1. Now we'll check the current state. Mounted. It is not open. It is in mounted, which means it is closed. Now we will open the database. Changing the state of all the PDBs. The following steps you will learn how to close all PDBs in a single statement. We'll then start them all up. So first close all PDBs. Alter pluggable database all close. Pluggable database all close. We'll select from $V PDBs. All are closed. PDB1, PDB2, both are closed. They are in mounted state. Then we'll open startup all PDB. We'll start up all PDB. Okay. Let's if we check now, now they are again in read write. Changing the state of CDB, shut down and start up the entire CDB. So we shut down immediate, immediate. So local insert shutdown. Now we will say startup open. Startup open. So now we will observe that, check the status of the PDBs. So we'll check the status of the PDBs. So all user created PDBs are in mounted state, that is they are closed. So start up all PDBs. Start up all PDBs. Okay. Now we will save the state. Save state. Now we will query this. So state is open. So this is the save state. So now when the CDB starts up, the PDB should be open. So we will do shutdown immediate. Shutdown immediate. Immediate. Start up. Then we will see the state of the PDBs. See, they are read write, they are open. So now after the restart of CDB, the PDBs are automatically open. So next time when the CDB starts up, the PDBs will be open because we have saved state. Now changing the state of a specific PDB when the current container is PDB. So alter session set container PDB1 session alter only PDB1. Now if you do startup, shutdown immediate, shut down the container and start it up. I would rather use alter pluggable database command to start up and shut down a PDB because if the current container is root and I am not aware about that, the shutdown below will shut down the entire CDB. Using the alter pluggable database command to shut down or start up the root is not possible. So basically we should do alter pluggable database roles. Roles. We should use this command and alter pluggable database open to start up the PDB. Set the current container back to root. Alter session set container CDB $root. Modifying a parameter in PDB. In the following section, we will examine change the parameters for CDB level and at the PDB level. Verify that the DB file size destination size cannot be changed in the PDB level. So this is the command. So this PDB modifier is false. Change the current PDB, the current container to PDB1. So we'll change the current container to PDB1 and then the value v dollar system parameter. Okay, we'll try to change it. Operation not know within a pluggable database. So this parameter is not modifiable at the pluggable database level. Set the current container to root and change the parameter. Changing parameter. Okay. Set the current container to PDB1. Query that parameter to see the value whether it has been changed. It has been changed as you can see. Change the current container back to root. Back to root. Verify DDL block timeout can be changed at the PDB level. Is PDB modifiable? Is true for this parameter. So change the parameter, change the session to PDB1 and change the parameter. So it worked fine. Current container back to root. Set the current container back to root. And in the root, if we query the parameter, as you can see in different con ID, its value is different. So in the root, its value is 0. In the PDB1, its value is 3. Okay. Changing the global database name of a PDB. In the following section, we will examine change the global database name of a PDB. We will create a new PDB, rename it, and finally drop it from the CDB. So first of all, we'll create a pluggable database. PDB test. It says PDB test already exists, so I'm making a PDB test 2. So the pluggable database is created. So this is test 2, this is test 2, this is test 2. So alter pluggable database test 2 close immediate. So test open restricted, open restricted. Pluggable database altered. Con ID is 6, open mode read write restricted yes. Test 2 to PDB3, we'll change it to PDB3. Test 2. So first alter session set container is equal to PDB test 2. PDB test 2. Alter pluggable database PDB test 2, rename global name to PDB 3. Then we'll query $PDB, read write and restricted yes, close PDB3. Then we'll open PDB3. Then we'll check the restricted. Restricted is no now. So now we can try to connect through this. So system Oracle MRP1 PDB3.local.admin. Let's try this. If it doesn't work, then we'll modify it. PDB1, PDB test has one instance. One instance. PDB3. PDB3 has one instance. PDB3. So this should be PDB3. This should be oh, try this. Now it got connected. So PDB3 is also registered in the listener once we change the name and it got connected. Then drop the PDB including its data file. This database PDB3 PDB8 drop programmable database PDB3 including data file. And then PDB1, we have PDB2, PDB test. This PDB test, we did PDB test 2. PDB test was originally there. We created PDB test 2 and renamed it to PDB3 and then dropped PDB3. So that's about exploring table space and data files. In the following section, we will explore the data files in CDB. This is also a demonstration of the new dictionary view family CDB_star. Make sure you are connected to CDB root. Connected to CDB root. CDB root. CDB root. View the default and temporary table space in CDB1. Default permanent table space users, default temporary table space temp. Next we'll select the permanent and temporary table spaces in CDB1. So we have con ID 1, we have these table spaces. Con ID 3, we have these four table spaces. Con ID 4, we have these four table spaces. Okay. View all the data files of CDB. Con ID 2 is not retrieved. If you see, Con ID 2 is not retrieved because that is the SIT PDB. SIT PDB table spaces are not listed. Similarly, we can view the data files from this query. Level was selected. ID 1 there is CDB1 and on ID 3 and 4 they are in the Oracle managed file. All the data files are Oracle managed files. As you can see, they are listed. On ID 2 is not listed. So next, retrieve the data files from DBA data files. So DBA data files. This will list only the CDB data files. This will list only the CDB data files have been retrieved. Retrieve the data files using $v data file and $v table space. $v data file and $v table space. $17. So is retrieves one ID 1, 2, 3, 4. All the all the PDBs and CDBs are listed here. So retrieve the data files from DBA data files. Seed data files are not saved in our own subdirectory as in the case of user created PDBs. So system must use the seed database data files. So we have done the exploration of summary. When you connect to a root, you can change the state of any PDB. When current container is the PDB, you can just state of only the current PDB. PDB state can be saved. The next time you start CDB, PDB will be in safe state. Some parameters can be modified in PDB level as well as CDB level, and some parameter can be modified only at in the CDB level. To change the global name of PDB, the PDB must be open in restricted mode. CDB underscore star views family retrieve information under CDB and all PDB that are associated with the root. DBA underscore star views family retrieve the information about only the current PDB. To retrieve all data files in the CDB including seed data file, use the $views. So that's a summary about what we discussed and what we practiced. And that's about the basic CDB administration task. That's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching and bye.